here. Olex Anderson is in. Can he score? Yes, he can.
All right, so the Reggae Boyz drew with St. Vincent in a 1-1 game in the Gold Cup prelims. And in the preview, I said, if Jamaica can't beat St. Vincent, we should really reconsider the hopes and aspiration that we have for the World Cup dream. So, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We're gonna do a review. Basically, I had the opportunity to watch the game twice, and after watching the game twice, I have to say that was total crap. That was total crap. Now, there's many ways to pretty it up. There's many ways to make it look good, but in general, that was crap. The Reggae Boyz, they definitely created a few opportunities. But in general, it was still total crap. I will be reviewing the game itself. I'm also gonna have some talking points. And you know, people are probably, you have a few persons who agree, you have a few persons who cuss about that. So I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna get into the game. I do the review of the game. And then I'll get into the talking points. I know a lot of persons are gonna like it. Anyways, so we go up against a St. Vincent team, which, if you ask anybody, generally don't know really the most I players them. They don't really know most I players them. But obviously, just by looking, you can see that this team could be an athletic team, and they look good. So we started off the game. I think we started off the game on a footballing perspective, how McLaren would want to start the game. First big opportunity fall at the feet of Boza. He couldn't take it, and that was a poor finish. In general, you'd want a striker to finish something like that. You definitely want a striker to finish like that. Second opportunity fall at the feet of Sole Makala, a long throw-in from the centre back Ethan Pinnock. And awful, really awful miss, terrible miss actually. So we got two early opportunities, and the game, the longer we take for score, the longer we really put some trouble on them. The game kind of opened up. But another big opportunity fall at the feet in the 28th minute to St. Vincent team, but the striker was unable to put it past Andre Blake. Shot it hard and low. Andre Blake did really well right there. To get down to that one. If he hadn't, it would have been a goal behind early out in the game. I know he must be disappointed. Has to be disappointed in a situation like that. But they keep on adding on pressure. Back heel pass here. Ball getting behind. Went for a shot. Honestly, I thought that he should have passed the ball inside to the incoming midfielders. But he just went for a shot. A back heel from the number 10, Anderson. But he went for a shot. And Anderson was actually available for the return pass there. But generally. Anyways, the game continues. The game continues into the second half. And this is where it got a bit interesting. Can't say Reggae Boyz look no more dangerous. The Margaret kind of get into the game. Leon Bailey kind of wake up a little bit, but was it enough? Laid off pass here from the Margaret onto Isaac Aiden. And Aiden just kind of placed the ball. Could have done a little bit better there. But it was good work, really good work from the Margrave to say Aiden with a left foot shot. Then now the goal score. Boza dropping deep, passing the ball onto Sole Makala. Sole Makala taking his eye off the ball, lose the ball in a dangerous zone. It became a 1v1 situation between Richard King and Anderson. And let me tell you something, pace kills. It doesn't matter what you guys want to say or what you guys want to think, pace will always kill. And he did well. He did really well in getting the ball on his left foot. Brilliant shot. Richard King sent him to the right-hand side. And Anderson just, you know what? I can use both foot. hit with the left foot, hard and low, beating Andre Blake. Another big opportunity in the 76 minute fall on the head of Ethan Pinnock, but he literally hit the ball straight on the goalkeeper, directly on the goalkeeper. Things kind of changed when Cephas came on. Cephas as the moment he came on, started to create some dangerous opportunities. But in the last 90 plus 6 minutes of the game, Cephas went down to the byline, caused some problems for the defender, cut inside, cut back, and defender tore the ball out, not too far. Renner Brown pounced on it, and defender tackled from behind, and that is where we got the goal. Liam Bailey steps up, taking a penalty. Nice penalty, actually. Really good finish from Bailey. But game ended 1-1. But this is where the but come in. Let me tell you something, people. One, Jamaica should definitely stop this name football thing, yeah? And the seniority thing. Coach McLaren, if you really decide, sir, if you really believe that you want to take this team to the World Cup, you see the seniority thing and this name thing, it not gonna work. It will not work. It will sink you deep. It will sink you, last you literally. The name not playing a ball out there. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna be honest. Over 90 minutes of football, the Margaret had moments. Moments is not good enough. You need consistency throughout the 90 minutes of football. You need consistency throughout the 90 minutes of football. We have 3 attackers. Leon Bailey, Boza, Demar Gray. Boza is about 6'6", 6'5" in big. And we cannot have two wingers to put the ball on Boza's head. We are playing with 2 inverted wingers, which means that they will cut inside in the central zone, literally cut into the midfield, rather than go to the byline and cut back or get the ball across. So Boza now get no ball. One of the reasons we even concede the goal, Boza dropped to the half line. Look, when you go and watch back that, when Boza dropped to the half line, Isaac Hayden was way ahead of Boza. And that should not be the case. That alone in itself can tell you that the team shape is wrong. The team shape is wrong. Something is wrong. Now, let me tell you this. If our wingers can't find the striker or put the ball upon the striker head inside a 18-yard box, the wingers, them nor the strikers, don't make no sense. The wingers nor the striker makes no sense. Now, I've seen a lot of persons that tell me, say, Bailey saved the Reggae Boyz, Bailey saved the... No, Bailey didn't do nothing. We did put the ball at back of net through Lembikisa, and they call it for an offside. I think that was... I'm not sure. I'm not sure because we didn't get enough replay from different angles to show that Bailey really was impacting the goalkeeper's view. So for me personally, I'm still not sure, even after watching the game a second time. I'm still not sure. But throughout the game, I wanted to recall Bailey having an impact on the game. A serious impact. Other than the cutback when he get to Gray, and Gray play off the ball to Aiden. That's the only impact. Then him get the penalty. He score. Fine. Huge impact. That's not because he scored a penalty. Could have missed. That'd be a problem. But just if Cephas did not come on and start causing the defenders problem and start getting the ball in dangerous area, we wouldn't have got the penalty there. So that's the reason I'm saying now that this seniority and this name thing not gonna work. Name not carry go World Cup. A ball of a player. Ball of a player before we can even think about World Cup. And at this moment, this is squad not ready. This is a selection, yeah, and this set of players will have them not mentally ready to go a World Cup. They're not mentally ready to go a World Cup. They're not. People, you know, you have a lot of people cuss me already. They're not mentally ready. You know, me always hear people cuss Damian Lowe. I want to make you tell you, Damian Lowe, when Damian Lowe play, me can tell you, when Damian Lowe start bad up some of my man and feel and say, get it right, man, I'll start get it right. You need somebody, you need somebody to bad them up. Bad them up. Man, then get in place. You see, people me can tell this. You see, we can call all the names we want. See if the names are not playing or the names are not dropping the leather, we're in a problem. We're in trouble. We are in serious trouble. Cephas came on the pitch. Let me check something. Cephas came on to the pitch. Let me just check the exact moment. I don't remember exact moment when Cephas came on to the pitch. Cephas came on to the pitch in adds a pop up. Yeah. Cephas came on the 68th minute. In his 68th minute. And Cephas had a far better game. A far better game than Demar Gray, Leon Bailey, Shamar Nicholson. All our attackers them combined. And it came on the 60th, 23 minutes of football. And it was far superior to everybody else in the attacking lineup. So, never go agree, never go disagree. Never only can disagree all no one. But we can tell her. Cephas never come on with that directness. For the willingness to take on the fullback them. Versus what Mr. Bailey and them are agreed to. Go down to the line, when they see defender, and cut back, pass back the ball. Go down to the line, when they see defender them, come back, a fullback, then cut back and pass back the line. All of Cephas are lose the ball. You know what time here people call Cephas fast and foolish fast. That's all I'm saying. No? Him just fast, him not hold it. But me tell these people, gone are the days where we see wingers I take on fullback, I go down to the byline and get ball inside of the box. Gone are those days. All wingers now go down to the line. When we see defender, Jesus peace, hot bread. Let me look at the ball. Why? Why at that? But why? If you lose the ball, you nothing. That is where you should lose the ball. That is where you should try things. That is where you should do things. I mean, I tell a lot of people. I'm very, very disappointed in what I see from Greer, what I see from Boza, what I see from Bailey. Very, very disappointed now. And it's difficult because Boza don't really get nothing. I know that's a sad part, you know. So Boza even get mixed up in the problem. Boza don't really get no more support because the wingers them consistently a cut back and a pass back to the midfielder. Then guess what? One eye midfielder might try cross the ball. Why wingers not cross the ball? You see, that's a problem, you know. We not that's a serious problem, you know. That's a serious problem, you know, people. Now, you can't tell this. And look how where goal come from. Look how which part the goal come from. Just how man willing to take on the defenders them. Willing to take. Right now, people at the mobility if they are Cephas. Cephas do all that work. Cephas and Runner Brown. Runner Brown active in a 18-yard box and win the penalty. And Bailey just go finish it. Take the glory. Basically take the glory. But me not watch football like that. I don't analyze football like that. Me not view football like that. I won't do that. If you look on the work, if you look on the statistics, even Bailey, one shot the whole game and I penalty. One shot the whole game. Yes, he scored. But what about the rest of the 90 minutes? What if you never get the opportunity there? It have been a horrible game. It haven't been a horrible game. We have the front line have to do better. Bailey, Demargre, Boza have to do better. I don't even remember from the big opportunity Boza get. We miss. I don't remember Boza kicking another shot. I don't remember. For me, the best player on the pitch was Anderson. That's the number 10 from St. Vincent. He looks heads above everybody. He look heads above Bailey. He look heads above Demari Gray. He look heads above Boza. He look heads above every single body. Everybody. He was the best player on the pitch. Undoubtedly. When you can't say me wrong, fine, no problem. From my perspective, from my opinion, he was the best player on the pitch. Go for shows the talent is everywhere. Now, when I did the preview, I said, well, this is a must-win game. But from what we see now, if this is how we think we're going to play, figure out World Cup. If this is how we think we're going to play, figure out World Cup. And people are going to tell me, say, if Sola did score, if Boza did score, we'd have gone 2 goals up. You think you forget the big chance that we give up to? We gave up some big chances. Aye. And those people, that's a disappointing performance. Very, very disappointing. People can say, yeah, there's a few positives, but the negatives outweigh the positives by far in that game. By far. Everybody have their own perspective of it still. And I demand to see a better performance on Tuesday. Me, I don't want. Me no want. I no hope. I demand to see a better performance on Tuesday. I demand to see our players giving us hope, giving us something to say, you know what, this look like something can happen. That the whole aspect of because USA and Mexico outside, why we feel like we will make it. No, I want to see us performing and say based off how we are perform, we can make it to the World Cup based off our performance and not the fact that USA and Mexico out. Because if this is how we are playing, we will not beat Mexico, will not beat Canada, will not beat USA. If this is how we are playing. Only can talk about squad selection, yes or no, because even if our different players are the same way we play, we have seen it. We are seeing it time and time again. Anyways, enough of basically come like a ranting. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Alright, God bless. Boom. I mean, I feel like it. I don't know if I want to cuss. That's how I go, sir. My mind.